Thank you.
Howdy folks, this is Alan from Rides Done Right. We're here at the 2019 Salem Roadster Show. I'm here with Les Stewart from Big Daddy Motor Cars. He's out of California and he's got a pretty cool Mustang he's going to tell us about. Les?
Alan, thanks a lot. I can actually tell you quite a bit about this Mustang. I took a 67 Mustang Fastback shell that I had found, took it down to bare metal, then proceeded to build the whole thing up. As I intended to build this car to drive and drive hard, I focused a lot on the suspension. So it's got a really trick rear suspension with this, what's called a Phase 2 Watts link that eliminates body roll. So when I go into turns, the car stays flat and the body stays centered over the rear end. Then on the front of the car, did some things with the control arms, lowering the upper control arm, reinforcing them, a heavy sway bar so the car dives into turns and it comes out flat. Now, in order to power that, I need the appropriate engine. So I had an engine built that produces a lot of low-end torque. So I get 592 foot-pounds of torque at 2,200 RPM. I mean, bap, bap, bap. So second and third gear driving is a breeze. But the engine also produces. So it puts out 610 horsepower on the dyno, but 524 horsepower to the wheels.
Nice.
So this car gets up and it puts it down. Then also I wanted some modern conveniences, modern electronics, and some comfort, of course. So inside it's quite comfortable. I built my own seat rails and moved them back 4 inches, so at 6'2", it's a comfortable ride for me. And then for the audiophiles, they might appreciate this. I've got two 10-inch subwoofers in the back, two 6x9s in the pillar, two 4-inch three-ways in the mounted in the front of the console, and I've got a deck, a retro sound deck that looks classic, looks like an old AM/FM deck, but it has all the new stuff, Bluetooth, MP3, etc. So that, and then I wrapped the whole thing in black. It's got 7 coats of black with 9 coats of clear. It came out beautiful.
It did come out beautiful. Yeah, it's my favorite Mustang here at the show.
Thank you.
So, yeah, it's a car you can take to the track on Saturday and cruise up the coast with the wife on Sunday.
Absolutely.
Cool, cool. So what we'll do is put all the rest of the details you can tell us. We'll put it on our website so folks can come out and check all the specifics out if they want to do that. Are you guys got to be producing this car?
Well, that's absolutely, I'm glad you mentioned that, because that's our intention. So we incorporated, my handle has always been Big Daddy, and that's from the military, and then my buddies picked up on it about 20 some odd years ago, and they call me Big Daddy. So with the popularity that's come up with this car and with people making me some crazy offers, I decided to incorporate about 1.5 years ago. So we are officially producing these cars for customers. Big Daddy Motor Cars. You can look us up on the website. You can find all the details, all the specifications. More importantly, you can find out how to contact us if you have any questions at all.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.